Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, May 19, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mixed overnight, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising around approximately 0.3%, while the S&P 500 ended largely flat, and the Nasdaq Composite slipped approximately 0.5%, as investors balance strong AI-led tech momentum against rising bond yields and elevated crude oil prices. Market sentiment remained cautious amid ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, although semiconductor and mega-cap technology stocks continued to provide support to broader indices. Asian markets are trading mixed today, with the Hang Seng in the green, while the Nikkei and Kospi retreated, with the latter falling over 4%. Investor sentiment across Asia remains cautious as markets weigh strong AI-led global tech momentum against elevated crude oil prices, rising bond yields, and ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,645, thereby indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading elevated but range-bound, as ongoing Middle East tensions and uncertainty around U.S.-Iran talks continue to support prices, despite mild profit booking. Gold prices are trading steady with a slight positive bias, supported by safe haven demand and expectations of future rate cuts, although stronger equity markets are limiting major upside momentum. Shares of Adani Group companies are likely to remain in focus after the U.S. Department of Justice reportedly dropped all criminal charges against Chairman Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani. The move effectively closes the high-profile fraud and securities case in New York, which could improve investor sentiment around the group. Puravankara reported a strong turnaround in Q4 FY26, posting a net profit of 110 crore rupees, compared to a loss of 88 crore rupees last year. Revenue also surged over 117% YOY to 1,502 crore rupees, reflecting robust demand and improved project execution. Indian Oil delivered a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with net profit rising 78% YOY to 14,458 crore rupees, while revenue from operations increased to 2.36 trillion rupees. The growth was supported by improved refining margins and stronger operational performance. Following the mixed cues from the Asian markets and the elevated crude oil prices, Nifty is expected to open mostly flat today. Supports for the index will remain at 23,560 followed by 23,400, while resistances will be at 23,760 followed by 23,900. Nifty can be expected to continue consolidating within a range with a slight positive bias, unless we witness another crude spike during the trading session. Elevated crude oil prices, persistent geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, inflation concerns, and continued volatility in FII flows remain key risks for Indian markets, keeping pressure on sentiment, the rupee, and inflation expectations. Strong momentum in global AI and technology stocks, resilient domestic institutional buying, easing concerns around major geopolitical escalations, and continued healthy Q4 earnings from Indian corporates could continue to support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 2,814 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 2,682 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 19, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.